This is Marvel Annual 23759. It's 2 random packs per spot. And just need to get our order. Here's our names 5 times. No. Cherry pie. I used to be called Chip because of that. A PC, a box cutter, and a bed. That's pretty much it. All right, 2 for Matthew, 2 for Rob, 2 for Matthew, 2 for Graham. Adam, Christy Lee, Sam, and Graham. Adam is up first. Star rookies of Rec Rap. What is this? Some jacked Spider-Man guy. Rec Rap. Okay. City Smith 499. Rasputin 4. Capwolf. Danny Ketch. Widow. Thank you, Adam. Spooderman. Rob. Parker backwards. Rep rap. Okay, well, that's the thing apparently. Legion Sins of Sinister. Sparkly of Vox Ignis. Hulk and Emissary. And second one for Rob is, I thought I'd open the pack the right way, but it goes this way. Spider-Man, Hex Finder, and Adam Warlock. Love that green. Daniel Bateman, good evening. Thank you, Rob. After this break, I will. Graham Hancock, you're up. Quicksilver, a suspended animation of Misery to 699. Uh-oh, what's Ringer done? Number 1 spot, Spider-Man. Black Cat and Moon Knight. Backscatters. Professor X, The Maker, Misery, and Beast. Sam. Mr. Sinister, Green Wong. 353 of 499. Carnage, Venom, Nude Man in Disco Ball. Good evening, Priscilla. Oh boy, everyone's watching. Black Cat, Orbis Stellaris. Priscilla, make sure that Daniel is looking after Mia and Sarah, please, because he's a bit of a... He's a mess. X23, 14 of 88. That's nice. Blade, and Elsa Bloodstone. Big day for Andrew. We got to get that case done tonight. Redacted. There's Iron Man surfing with her dog. I actually can't read that. Necroco. I've never heard of Necroco. Dark Web of Mary Jane. And Christy Lee to finish. I don't force you to do anything except buy Tim Tams for your wife who you've neglected. Peggy Carter and Firestar. And good call, Mum. Null and Dark Web Ms. Marvel to 499, 299, 205 of 299. That's a big hand. Mystique. That's it for annual 23759.